Archangel Michael has an urgent message specifically for you today. Something serious is happening in your workplace or in your relationships right now. Someone has been quietly positioning themselves to take your place. They've been watching you carefully, studying how you work, learning your methods, and observing your relationships with others. You've probably felt something strange lately, that uncomfortable feeling when this person is around, those moments when you sense you're being watched or copied. These feelings aren't random or paranoid. The powerful guardian angel Archangel Michael is watching over you right now, and he has detected this calculated attempt to replace you. Those blue flashes you've seen from the corner of your eye? The sudden protective thoughts that come to your mind? The dreams where you see yourself surrounded by blue light? These are all signs from Archangel Michael trying to reach you. He wants you to know that divine protection is surrounding you during this challenging time. The fact that you found this message today is no accident. This person thought they were being clever, but they don't understand the spiritual laws that are about to be revealed. Archangel Michael has revealed something shocking about this situation. This person has convinced themselves that stepping into your shoes will be easy. They've been talking to others behind your back, carefully building alliances, and positioning themselves as the better choice. They smile at you during meetings, act friendly in conversations, but behind closed doors they've been undermining your value. They've been taking credit for your ideas when you're not around. They've been minimizing your contributions while highlighting their own abilities. What this person doesn't realize is that what you bring to your work and relationships cannot be duplicated or replaced. Your unique combination of gifts, energy, and authentic presence is irreplaceable. Archangel Michael reveals they're about to discover this truth the hard way. The very attempt to replace you will expose their true capabilities to everyone watching. A divine test is already in motion that they cannot see coming. Soon everyone will witness the clear difference between authentic value and surface imitation. This situation is actually setting up a powerful revelation that will change everything. The spiritual laws of divine justice are already activating around you right now. Now you need to recognize the signs of this replacement strategy that's been unfolding. Think about the meetings you weren't invited to but clearly should have been part of. Notice how this person volunteers to handle your tasks whenever you're away or unavailable. Have you seen them dressing differently lately, perhaps more like you? Or adopting your mannerisms and speaking style? Watch how they've suddenly developed friendships with people in authority over you. Listen to their comments like "I've been learning so much by watching you," words that sound innocent but carry hidden intentions. Pay attention to how they downplay your achievements in group settings while subtly promoting themselves. Notice the fake concern they show about your workload while secretly hoping you'll fail or leave. Remember times when your work was questioned or criticized, but there's received praise for doing less. See how they position themselves physically, always near the decision makers, always visible when important people are around. Your intuition has been screaming that something feels wrong about this person. Those aren't just feelings, they are spiritual warnings. The dreams or sudden visions warning you about betrayal or replacement are messages from the divine realm. That anxiety you feel when this person is around or even mentioned in conversation is your soul recognizing the negative energy. The energy drain you experience after interactions with them happens because they are pulling from your light to fuel their own ambitions. Archangel Michael now reveals what's about to happen in this situation. A specific circumstance is coming that will require your unique abilities and experience. This person who thinks they can replace you will be given an opportunity to prove themselves in your absence or alongside you. The universe is arranging events right now that will reveal true capability versus surface performance. What you do naturally and effortlessly will become suddenly very difficult for them. The authentic relationships you've built through years of genuine care and consistency cannot be faked or rushed. The intuitive decisions you make from your deep well of experience cannot be copied from observation alone. The skills that seemed so simple when you performed them will reveal their true complexity when this person attempts them. Archangel Michael shows that this divine test is already beginning to unfold in ways you may not fully see yet. Decision makers and colleagues will soon witness the difference between the original and the imitation. The pressure of the moment will reveal who carries real substance and who only carries appearances. This isn't about you needing to prove yourself, you've already proven your worth many times over. This is about truth being revealed to everyone who has been watching and comparing. The divine timing of this test is perfect and precise. Your value will become undeniable to everyone in the coming days and weeks. What seemed like a threat to your position is actually an opportunity for your gifts to shine even brighter than before. The light always reveals what darkness tries to hide. Archangel Michael wants you to understand exactly what makes you truly irreplaceable. First, there are the authentic relationships you've built through years of genuine care, consistent presence, and real investment in others. These connections run deep and cannot be manufactured quickly. Then there's your unique combination of natural talents, learned skills, and life experiences that create abilities only you possess. The energy and presence you bring create specific positive outcomes that others feel but cannot name. People feel safe around you, or inspired, or motivated in ways they don't experience with others. Your intuitive problem-solving comes from decades of experience that taught you what works and what doesn't. Your work ethic combined with your personal integrity creates a foundation of trust that takes years to build. The reliability you've demonstrated through consistent follow-through has earned you credibility that words alone cannot create. Your ability to see solutions that others miss comes from your unique perspective shaped by your specific life journey. The way you handle pressure and unexpected challenges with grace comes from inner strength you've developed through trials. How you make complex situations feel manageable for others is a gift they don't even realize they depend on. The creative approaches that only your mind could generate come from your distinct way of seeing the world. Your emotional intelligence in navigating difficult interpersonal situations cannot be learned from a training manual. The spiritual gifts and divine protection that operate through you are connected to your soul's purpose. Archangel Michael reveals you carry a specific divine frequency and energy signature. This spiritual vibration cannot be taught, copied, or replaced by anyone. It's directly connected to your life purpose and your soul's unique mission in this world. The person trying to replace you doesn't have access to this frequency, and soon this will become obvious to everyone involved. Archangel Michael offers specific guidance about how to handle this situation with wisdom and grace. First and most importantly, don't engage in competition or defensive behavior with this person. Your dignity and quiet confidence provide your greatest protection right now. Begin each day with a prayer for clarity and divine guidance in navigating this challenge. Visualize a bright blue shield of light surrounding you, protecting your position, your reputation, and your energy. Continue doing excellent work without anxiety or desperation. Your results will speak louder than any defense you could make. Trust that truth always rises to the surface eventually, even when it seems buried temporarily. When you must interact with this person, maintain professional distance combined with spiritual protection. Don't share your strategies, your concerns, or your future plans with them. Use the mirror technique Archangel Michael teaches. Mentally place a mirror of spiritual light between you and this person, reflecting their negative intentions back to their source while preventing them from affecting you. Document your work and contributions clearly so there's an undeniable record of your value. Focus on building stronger, authentic relationships with key people rather than worrying about this one person's schemes. Stay firmly in your integrity and don't lower yourself to office politics or gossip. Remember that Archangel Michael stands beside you in every meeting, every interaction, every challenging moment. Practice the Michael Minute before difficult encounters. Take one deep breath while saying, "Archangel Michael, shield me now." Carry something blue with you as a physical anchor for angelic protection. Clear your energy after being around this person by visualizing any negative cords being cut. Trust your intuition completely about timing and what to say or not say in each situation. Archangel Michael now shows you the moment of clarity that's rapidly approaching. When pressure and demands increase, authentic capability becomes crystal clear to everyone watching. The carefully maintained facade will crack when real expertise and experience are required. People who were fooled by surface appearances will suddenly see the profound difference between you and this person. Your temporary absence, even for just a few days, will reveal what you truly contribute every single day. The complex systems and relationships you maintain effortlessly will show their true difficulty. Tasks that looked easy when you performed them will become obviously challenging for someone without your depth of knowledge. Decision makers will recognize they nearly made a serious mistake in undervaluing you. The person attempting to replace you will reveal their true limitations, not because you exposed them, but through natural consequences of their overreach and lack of genuine capability. Colleagues will feel the difference in work quality, in energy, and in outcomes. The smooth operation you maintained will become noticeably rough without your specific touch and attention. Archangel Michael reveals this is divine justice operating perfectly. You won't need to point out the differences or defend yourself. The truth will be completely obvious to everyone involved. Trust this unfolding process even when you can't see the full picture from your current position. The vindication that's coming isn't about ego or being right, it's about truth finally being seen clearly. Your value will be understood and appreciated on a much deeper level than before. This entire situation will ultimately strengthen your position significantly and permanently. This challenge you're facing is actually preparing you for your next level of success and purpose. Archangel Michael clearly shows a significant promotion or new opportunity approaching your life soon. The increased visibility from this situation will attract better options and opportunities you couldn't have accessed before. Your handling of this difficult situation with grace, wisdom, and integrity will demonstrate true leadership to people who matter. New doors are opening specifically because of how you've navigated this challenge with dignity. People of real influence have been quietly watching your character and capability through this entire test. The spiritual growth you've gained from staying centered during betrayal is priceless and permanent. Your discernment about people's true intentions has been sharpened dramatically. You now have stronger boundaries and a much clearer sense of your true worth. The network of authentic supporters who emerged to stand with you during this time are valuable lifetime connections. The skills you developed while proving your irreplaceable value have expanded your capabilities. This experience has prepared you perfectly for bigger responsibilities that require exactly these strengths. The confidence that comes from weathering an attempted replacement makes you unstoppable going forward. Archangel Michael reveals that your true spiritual assignment is about to begin now. This workplace situation was actually the final test before your major breakthrough into purpose. What seemed designed to diminish and replace you has instead elevated you to a new level. The divine redirection happening right now because of this challenge is perfect. Watch for powerful synchronicities appearing to guide you clearly toward your true path and calling. Archangel Michael stands beside you right now as you receive this message. His powerful sword of truth is actively cutting through the deception and manipulation surrounding you. The divine timing of you finding and hearing this message today is absolutely perfect and no accident. Begin implementing the protection practices immediately, today, not tomorrow or next week. Trust completely that the revelation of truth is already unfolding exactly as it should. Your irreplaceable value will be proven clearly without you needing to force anything or defend yourself. Stay firmly grounded in your integrity and let divine justice do its perfect work. The breakthrough you've been waiting for is much closer than you currently think. Watch carefully for specific signs in the coming days: blue feathers appearing unexpectedly, repeated number sequences like 111 or 444, and sudden feelings of peace and clarity. Maintain your daily spiritual practices with consistency right now. Show your appreciation for this divine guidance and protection by giving super thanks up to $20. This energy exchange strengthens your connection to the angelic realm. Continued guidance and protection remain available as this situation resolves perfectly. Your true worth will become undeniable very soon. Trust the divine plan that's unfolding perfectly for your highest good.